What's up guys, it's Ashwin. Today we're going to be replacing the start button in my BMW since it's all worn out like this to this new G series style crystal button.
Alright, so this is my old start button. As you can see, it's pretty worn out. And this is the new start button. So it has a mirror effect, and when you turn it on and the light goes through, it actually has a cool little effect around the corners. So yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to replace this. I'm also going to be wrapping this silver trim with this little black wrap I got for 99 cents. So, you know, cost savings.
Alright, so there are a couple of clips around the old button you just got to pop off. There we go. So take the new button, there's a little align thing at the top. You just gotta put it at the top of the assembly and you just gotta pop it in. There you go. So sadly I'm gonna have to be wasting a precious resource right now. But you know, I need to clean the button to make it stick properly. Here we go, completely revitalized start button right here. Let's put this in the car. Alright. There you can see the little effect I was talking about, the little on the edges. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content. I'm going to make more videos on the BMW 135i, I don't know why I'm pointing back there, it's up there. A lot more mods, a lot more interior things, stuff like that. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.